Meaning of dirt.
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 Dirt. Dirt typically refers to any material or substance that is unclean, foul, or unsanitary. It may consist of soil, dust, grime, or other debris. Exposure to dirt can result in various negative consequences, such as the transmission of disease, contamination of food and water sources, and the accumulation of allergens or pollutants in indoor environments. Regular cleaning and proper hygiene practices are essential for preventing the buildup of dirt and maintaining safe and healthy living conditions.